you from there. Let's take it easy. We'll be here for you guys.
We had an earthquake in Armenia in 1988, which killed 25,000 people in a place called Spitak. When the international community responded to that particular earthquake, it was very, very chaotic.
Teams would arrive, they just chose a spot to work rather than be directed where they could be used the best. There was no way to communicate with the other teams that were there.
There was no coordination amongst teams, there were no operational standards. Everything that shouldn't be there was there.
Everyone came to the realization that something needed to be done to be able to not only respond, but respond in a coordinated fashion. Through the INSARAG community, the decision was taken to produce a set of guidelines that were then adopted by GA General Assembly resolution back in 2002 to make sure that everyone agreed to this premise for response. The United Nations formed a small work group of about 8 folks, and we worked for about 3 years putting the guidelines together.
In the search and rescue arena, INSARAG is the common language for all the international teams.
A standard that is accepted around the world, a standard based on past experiences.
By going through the classifications, they understand the INSARAG system better, and they also understand how other international teams operate.
The reason behind the classification system is twofold. It's number one, to make sure that the standard that we have put in place is being upheld. But more importantly, it's for the people of the affected country, so that when rescue teams arrive, the government of this country knows exactly what type of team they're getting. It's better communications, which leads to good coordination.
And then we have the common tools and have the common platforms to be engaged with the international counterparts.
These are the teams that will make a difference. INSARAG classified teams, they are easily recognizable by the patch that they wear.
With this badge, we can show we are just not here for disaster tourism. We are a professional institution. We are a professional classified team.
The United Nations in OCHA, Geneva, the UNDAC team was put on standby. The virtual OSOP, our portal that shares real-time information with the rest of the world, got activated. Such a global response, 21 international teams, 650 personnel, 67 dogs, several 100,000 tons of equipment. It's a logistical nightmare. Without proper coordination, there will be chaos. We work closely with the government, understand what is the need. We are housed together with the local emergency management authorities. We work hand in glove with them, and jointly we execute the operations. The local teams were there to provide the local knowledge to the international teams, and the international teams in turn provided that added muscle, high-tech equipment to cut reinforced concrete, as well as search dogs. Everybody wants to just do one thing, save lives.
Banyak kepada tim yang bekerja. Di samping itu mereka bukannya bekerja, tapi juga ada jalan emosional antara ibu dengan dia. Batin gitu kan rasanya, mereka tuh dekat dengan ibu. Jadalah dia tuh memberikan ketenangan, kekuatan.
We have 43 international urban social rescue teams. And these teams are from 23 countries.
I I was out today with the president of Haiti, and we discussed the search and rescue phase and how long we want to continue. And his words were, we need to continue as long as the population thinks there's hope.
Mommy, I'm okay. You see me. That's not my zombie. That's me.
International teams come in when the deepest and the most difficult rescues have to be made.
I can say that 20 years of doing this, I've never had a bad mission. Every mission is good because you've been able to touch someone to make a difference in their life.
It wasn't the country flag that mattered. It was one big INSARAG family coming together to make sure that we all come with one clear objective.
It's not just guys and girls who go in to break concrete. They come with doctors, they come with engineers, they come with rigging experts. And so there's so much more that an urban search and rescue team can do. Public safety people in particular are not looking for praise, they're looking for accomplishment. We're coming there to benefit the people that need it the most.